Hi everyone, welcome to Ẹ̀kọ́ Èdè Yorùbá TV.
For more examples, let's see. You have known the Omoponmile, Ibadan, Ejo. No, the other time I also said, okay, let's see. I want to make one example on Faweli Aranmupe on syllable. Irun, hair, your hair. You can see that this one is the way you call it the other time is like when you have mucus on your throat. Irun, you call it 2 times. Irun. So it's like 2 syllable. Irun. You can see it. So I want to put one more. Irun mi. You can see it. I make it 3. Irun mi. My hair. The more you are calling it outside, that's the way you put it down. Irun mi. Now, ìyá àgbà. Look at it. Ìyá àgbà. You can see. Ìyá àgbà. 4 syllable. Ìyá àgbà. That is old woman. You put points. Ìyá àgbà, which is old woman, or we call it grandmother. Granny, grandmother. The old woman. So ìyá àgbà. I have another example. The more you are calling it. For example, a name Adegbemile. I want the one that is longer than that. Adegbemile. Ọlọ́run ṣògo. Now, we want to divide it now. Adegbemile is a name of a person. Adegbemile. You can see. Adegbemile. Let me write it very well. Adegbemile. Or you see that I put font at the bottom. Lọ́run ṣògo. Ọlọ́run ṣògo. Adegbemile. You can see now. The way you call it. You write it. De. You know that you knew D. A. You know that A is not A in English. De. You know B. Me. Le. Ọlọ́run ṣògo. Now, ọlọ́pàá. 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 How many syllables? 3. Ọlọ́pàá. Let's divide it. Ọlọ́pàá, which is police. Police. Ọlọ́pàá. You can see that is the way you call it. Ọlọ́pàá. Now, I want to make one. Issue. Issue. What is issue? Yam. How many syllables? 2. Issue. Look at this one. I said ya, ye, yi, yo, you. So the more you are going forward, you also make friends to the alphabets. Ya, ye, yi, yo, you. This yi, we didn't say it Y in English. We didn't say Y. It's yi. So we use it for Yoruba. Yam. Yam is 2 vowel, which is syllable Meji. Issue, yam. Issue, yam. Balogun. Balogun. When we say Balogun, that is war person. Warrior. The warrior person. Balogun. We source it the person that has power during the war, that's used to fight, go other places. So for war, Balogun. This is one of the vowel that I said that has a you can that any person that has like person that has mucus. Balogun. Oduduwa. Oduduwa. How many vowel? Syllable mélòó ni? How many consonants? How many vowel? We have vowel here. Then later we can see have I can go for how many vowel that are here, how many consonants that are here. Oduduwa. Let's divide it. Oduduwa. Oduduwa is one of the eldest person in Yoruba land. The heroes people, one of the heroes. So Oduduwa. So it's a 4 syllable. 4 syllable in Yoruba. Now I want to give you some assignments. I want you to, under the comments, I want you to give me the example of consonant in Yoruba. At least writing. In vowel, I want you to give me an example of Faweli, Aranmupe, 3. Just write it down. And in vowel that have no mucus, write yẹni Faweli, Aranmupe. You write 5 examples for me out of the 7. Then the 4th one will be how many alphabets do we have in Yoruba?